Welcome to another video of computers and stuff. Now today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be doing some sort of a tech news thing. And I know I'm not tech quickie or anything like that. I'm just going to experiment with this, and I'm doing something different because it's all quarantine time. So let's get into it. If you have any computer problems, why don't you look at LinusTechTips.com? You can check out the threads, ask a question, or get some advice. See? Is it a shame to own a low-end PC? Tom's Hardware Forum is another place to check out. They've got a ton of topics, as you can see here. You can pick and choose from different ones, get tips, you can ask a question. It's a really great forum, and I've used it plenty of times. And by the way, all the links for these sites are in the description. r/computers is a helpful subreddit, just like the Linus Tech Tip forums and Tom's Hardware Forum. Here someone's asking about a line in their screen. Ever wanted to make an I.O. game, just like Slither.io, Agario, anything like that? Well, check out the link in the description where you can learn how to build a multiplayer I.O. game. SSDs are replacing hard drives, but have you ever wondered how they work? How Stuff Works has created a post on this. You can check it out in the description. Do you play a lot of video games? Well, you can make money by playing video games. This site here says that it will give you money and you can trade. I don't know, I heard it somewhere. You can check that out. Do you have a bunch of DVDs or Blu-rays sitting in your closet? Well, Mesmo Media Server can fix that problem. You can rip all your DVDs using some weird DLLs for Handbrake and then put them right on to Mesmo Media Server, and you're able to access them from any device. And if you get the pro version, you can actually access it via a web browser. I use Mesmo, and it's actually a very nice program. I believe you can access it remotely and do a lot of nice things with it, and I think it's a really great media server. It works offline, and it's really good. Speaking of movies and TV shows, have you ever wanted to use that Raspberry Pi for Netflix or Amazon Prime instead of your old smart TV? Well, here's a post telling you how to do so. You might think it's pretty easy. It does require a little bit of expertise and terminal commands, but it's still possible, and it's pretty cool to use that Raspberry Pi as a TV media center. Here's another post about it, and you can find it in the link in the description. But you probably can't use Netflix if you have slow internet. If you have slow internet on Windows 10, you can check out this post here in the description to find out why your LAN speed is so slow. But if you have fast internet, you might be able to host your own website at home. Now, this does come with some risks too, and I was actually going to do it myself, and I will tell you why you probably shouldn't host a public website at your house. First is security. You'll probably need a really good firewall and a good router to do so, and it opens your IP, and you could get multiple IPs, but you would need a business internet for that. Speaking of business internet, home internet usually doesn't allow you to host your own website at home. It's against their policy, but in all technicalities, you could say they will not really disconnect your internet. That hasn't really ever happened to someone who hosts their website at home, but it's just a good idea to pay a few bucks per month to host a website somewhere else. But if you want to host like some sort of website, for your media server personally, if you want to access something, your server outside your house, go ahead. It's a cool thing to do, and you can actually just host certain sites and different stuff from your home. So check that out in the description. If you want to make a simple HTML but want to add some cool stuff to it, then use this HTML editor that I have in the description. It's online and it's basic, but also very nice. It's free. You can check it out. It has lots of different tools. You can go to it and add links, pictures, all sorts of different stuff. And if you want to check out my site, which I typed in right there, you can just go to that link too. Now it's time for Techsupport Gore. Leaked photo of the Tesla semi-truck. CPU. The hard drive or brain of the computer. I love mail days. Wow, that motherboard probably cost more than all my computers combined. I see the problem. You forgot to replace the CMOS battery. That's true, the CMOS battery is not there. Okay, so your coworker glue guns routers and switches to a wall. Why is it bent though? That's not what USB charging means. This was just a quick tech thing, and I'm not any tech quickie like I said before, but wait, Why does it say musical artists for TechQuick songs? Okay, let's see what songs they. Okay, that's weird. Someone already claimed the knowledge panel, apparently. Someone who isn't TechQuickie.